All right, it is a new year, January 2025. It is time to get organized. And so I am really super excited. I've been doing some research on some new stuff that is here now at IKEA that is going to be a game changer for RV organization and storage. So let's head in and I'm gonna show you some really cool new finds. So I absolutely love the inspiration that I find at IKEA, and today we're looking kind of more for some new things, but I'm also going to show you the tried and the true that I have been using for a very long time when it comes to RV storage. And here is something that I completely forgot. I grabbed the bag, but actually this I think works a little bit better. So instead of using the bag, just going to throw it in here, grab one of these. This will serve us better. So this is a great find for RVing. Now that I think this must be new because I have not seen this before, and we try to make annual trips to IKEA. But this is a little storage bin. It's only $1.99, but it's actually kind of deep. It's got some good depth. Bins are your friends when it comes to RVing and RV life because contents do shift. During flight, when you are moving your RV from place to place, things are going to move around and get shaken up. So I have learned I store pretty much almost everything in some sort of bin. So whether you're using this for things like maybe washcloths or toiletries or whatever, and then these are kind of cool because take a look at this. So you've got the lid, but then these actually stack on top of each other too. So if you need to put these in an area where you can stack them, they're kind of semi-clear, you can see what's in them. Also, you could always throw labels on them. And for $1.99, it's a really good price for high quality plastic bin. So I just ran across this caulk stuff, and it has a little picture, but the boxes are all sealed and they don't have one out for display. So I'm really left to guess what do you use this for? Is it looks like maybe some sort of cord organization, and obviously since the box is sealed, I don't want to unseal it and open it up, but what is this? No, this is actually one of my favorites for RVing because you need one of these for just little things here and there. I personally keep one of these by our front door where we go out so I can sweep off the steps from time to time, but $3, definitely a good buy, and you want one of these when you're RVing. My personal favorite is the Panda. Panda, 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 Panda. Panda. All right, so here's a really cool little display that caught my attention because this is all less than $5, and obviously budget friendly is better, right? But take a look at this. So this is a nice bin. I have something similar to this from the Dollar Tree that I'm using right now for our batteries, but it's a lot smaller and it's not as heavy duty plastic being from the Dollar Tree. But this works great for lots of things. Also think about your junk drawer, right? With all of that mess, something like this with a lid for that type of organization, great idea. And then bins. Let me tell you, bins are totally my friend. In fact, I'm going to show you in just a little bit some bins from IKEA, how I'm currently using them to organize our pantry right now in the house. But lots of these types of bins, and our bathroom too. I'm going to show you that here in just a few minutes. You really want some of these types of bins. And then this size, really inexpensive. So here's one thing that you always need in an RV, and that is just more outlet space. There's just not a ton of outlet space in RVs to begin with. And trust me on this, you're going to find yourself needing more of that space. So this is a really great buy. These are two basically like power strips for only $8. And so this would definitely be a must, especially if you are getting ready to hit the road full time or just outfit your RV for the first time. Speaking of which, this slib, I really do like these. We have several of these around the house and they come in handy for so many things. Right now, mainly, I'm using them to store like excess toilet paper and paper towels. Works great. Look at this. I do really like how organized that this looks with all of like the clear glass containers with the bamboo lids. Now we're gonna check those out when we get downstairs because I just love how neat and organized that looks in a fridge. Okay, you guys, I swear, if there was one tip, and I could only give you one, it would be about bins. Bins. So these larger bins, love using these in the RV. Now, because RV cabinets are kind of like built in all sorts of different ways, our cabinets specifically, the one downfall to these bins is they're not clear, so you really can't see what's inside at a glance when it's up on a cabinet like this. So here's what I do is I put just a label on these bins so I know what's in them. But these work so amazing for the RV, and you can use them in a lot of different places depending upon the space that you have. So like dresser drawers, all sorts of different areas, but ultimately bins are your best friend. So now here's another great RV organization item. So this is $5, you guys, $5. For $5, you can't go wrong. And that is these Sunnersta racks. And so we're actually using this in our RV bathroom right now. But what I love about these is they're so versatile. You can use them with the little bins, you can use them with hooks, you can hang things on them. Totally makes use of that vertical wall space, which of course you are short on space when you are living in an RV or a tiny home. So these racks, totally going to make just your space revolutionized. So I just noticed these little like canvas pouches here too. These would work great on the rail systems like that they have them here. And so the cool thing with the rail systems is there's a couple of different types, right? The Sunnersta is a little bit more of a flat rail. This is more of like a round rail, but pretty much most anything is interchangeable on these types of rail systems. So many different ways to store so many different things, just depending upon the space that you have and what you're needing to get up and out of the way. Oh, one more thing. This is like bonus tip. One thing I love about this type of thing in the bathroom is we literally have nothing on our bathroom counter in the RV, which makes packing up for a travel day so much easier because it's already all put away. So the one thing about like kind of like, I guess, how to shop at IKEA is the top floor is pretty much where you're gonna find a lot of inspiration. So you're gonna find like kitchen setups, bedroom, bathroom, all of those things set up. And you can find a lot of things for sale right there. But the magic is really when you go downstairs, and then they have even more, especially home organization and storage. So we're gonna finish walking through the upstairs, and before you go downstairs, you have to stop and get something to eat, and then we'll hit downstairs. Now that we've found some amazing organizing solutions at IKEA to make RV life even more comfortable, and we've got a few more to come, there's one more thing that's essential for making your RV truly feel like home, and that's getting a good night's sleep. And that's where today's sponsor, RV Mattress by Brooklyn Bedding, comes in. They specialize in high quality, comfortable mattresses made specifically for RVs, because we all know those standard RV beds definitely don't cut it. And we've been loving the mattresses and bedding products from RV Mattress. They've made such a difference in our travels. And because we like to host guests when we are traveling, we upgraded all of the beds at the Hideaway with Brooklyn Bedding mattresses. We recently gave our guest suite a full bedroom makeover with a new bed platform, mattress, sheets, pillows, all of the products from our friends at Brooklyn Bedding. And what's great is they offer mattresses in almost any size for your home or RV. They come packaged in rolled boxes, making installation super easy, whether it's in a tiny space or a full bedroom. Plus, everything ships quickly and free from their factory in Arizona. They've also added options like memory foam toppers and the Titan mattress, which is perfect for those that just need a little extra support. And with a 10-year warranty and a 120-night sleep trial, they stand behind their products. Visit rvmattress.com/grateful and you're gonna save 30% off with our code GRATEFUL. Check the link in the description and all of the details will be there as well. And a huge thanks to RV Mattress for sponsoring this video and their support of our channel. All right, so we are almost to the restaurant and cafe, and then we will go down the stairs to the lower levels. So I'm getting hungry. I always get the Swedish meatballs. It's a thing. So this was actually a new product like a couple of years ago. Seriously though, this product has like totally revolutionized all of my storage. And that is this $1.99 Parkla. Now I'm using this in the RV, I'm using this in the house. I am using this pretty much everywhere because it is great for storage of all sorts of things. So now here's the deal. If you're a full-time RVer, you're going to find that things like your cold weather gear, you're just not gonna need those all year round, right? So things like that work great for storage in this. And then for like home and stuff like that, pillows, blankets, again, seasonal clothes, anything that you're not using on like the daily or the monthly, but you wanna keep it somewhere protected, this, my friend. Got blankets and pillows and things. Home organization, that's where we need to get. Oh, I think it's just around the corner. We have this bath mat, but it's like this, these ones are bigger. I wonder if they, okay. Blue one, but okay, no, but this is the shorter one again. Look. All right, so for RVing, we actually use one of these to put all of our shoes in, except for the one that we have, the turquoise, is black, but here you have a yellow turquoise, so that's kind of a fun color. These also like come in great for other things too. So I've used these for like laundry. You could actually give like a small animal a bath in this. All sorts of uses for the turquoise. Look what it is. It's bin heaven. You have all the bins in some really fun colors too. This is actually cheaper than it used to be. These bigger ones, I swear, were more expensive, but now $4. That is awesome. And then look at these fun colors. You've got pink, black, green. It's bin heaven in here. You got bins with lids on them. Wow. Bins. Oh, these are actually all excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, so here's the deal. Because in an RV, you have got a lot of things that are like oddly shaped, right? Like the biggest example I think is like with Airstreams because they're rounded. So you have really oddly shaped cabinets. Anyway, with these soft-sided bins, they can flex and just, you know, move to whatever space that you need them to fit in. And so soft-sided bins especially are like an organizer's best friend when it comes to RV living, even just like small living, because you just don't know what your space is going to be like. But there's so many options. Like, look at this. This is a really fun design. You've got like this design here, this type of design, and this is again all flexible. It does not have like a wire frame in it, so it's all flexible. Oh, and then look, you got little handles on this one. These are amazing. It's the cat one. Where do we find the Mavin cat one? Because I saw this upstairs, but I didn't find actually where to find it. Please tell me that they're not sold out of the Mavin cat bins. Man.
Oh, maybe they were there.
Yeah, maybe they were.
Aw.
Darn the luck. These are so cool.
Kind of spendy though.
But it has a cat. You've got like this color and style. And I do like too, like if they're not in use, you can just fold them flat. These are some really fun colors. I love just all of like the color variation that you have with all of these. These ones do have the wire, so they're not as flexible as the other ones, but these ones look like, yeah, these ones would be flexible. Love these options. Love it. So actually, you can get the turquoise and not just yellow, but look at this. Blue, green, pink. These are really handy tools, man. Love IKEA. We just got done traveling internationally, so here's the thing. A lot of places you have to bring your own bags or you're buying bags. And especially in the US, like I feel like I'm always schlepping like these big bulky bags. These are folding into themselves. So I did find a couple in France that were like this, but look at this. This is amazing. A nice size, reusable shopping bag that folds up into itself.
And only 99 cents.
And only 99 cents. Like seriously, people. I might just get rid of all my other ones or convert them to beach bags and go to this because this is way more convenient. So how much is this non-original Mona Lisa? Yeah, 15 bucks. For $15, you too can have the Mona Lisa in your home.
Say hi to the camera.
It's a good thing that they have arrows so that you know where you're supposed to go. I would get totally lost. It's very low to the ground. That's how you know when you're getting old. It's very low to the ground. Super Mario. So you're gonna have to let me know what other finds have you found, maybe from IKEA, other places that are great for small and RV living. And check out this video right up here from our brand new channel, Grateful Home Living, with more IKEA finds for use around the house.